basically what I'm doing is sort of manipulating that static balance and making things just sort of bounce. Like I want to be bouncing in my chair, and like when the handoff happens to the chorus, I want to be like, yes, you know, and like jumping up and down like people in a stadium. So that's what gets me off during mixing and makes me really excited, is just making everything sort of swell and move and have excitement to it. You know, generally I start with the drums, and you can see there's some fairly big rides, you know, a couple 3 dB going into choruses to make sure that shit just drops. And same thing with the bass, the guitars. You know, the way this particular song drops into the chorus, like everyone just hits a diamond, hits a whole note there. And we want that to just be loud and proud, but let the vocals poke through it. So sometimes I'll push the front of that chord and then pull it back, and then the vocals go away and that chugging part comes in, so I'm gonna push them up again. They're not huge, massive moves, as you can see, but you can feel they make a big difference to what's happening, what's important, what's audible, what's not. And what you're concentrating on, because there's a famous person who said we don't walk away humming the drum fill. So we want vocals up front, and then when there's no singing, you want something else to happen. You know, because if it just sits there static, it's like, okay, well, that loud guy singing to me up front has gone away, so for a split second I might be bored, and God forbid that happens. So bring the guitar part up, bring a bass fill up, bring a drum fill. Something that's happening can be pushed just a little bit to keep that lull from happening. You want, like, once this song comes on, you want energy happening from somewhere all the time. So to show you what this automation is doing, I'm gonna play you the beginning of the song through the end of the first chorus with all my automation moves, and then I'll roll back, I'll turn off all the automation. There's a button here that says auto suspend, turns everything off, and we can hear what happens when you just have a static mix. So check it out. Here's with all the automation up through the first chorus. You can hear when we get to that chorus, it's just kind of like, you know, it's a chorus, clearly, because things change, but it's not like jumping up a level. And when it gets to the chorus in this kind of song, it needs to just come out and kick you in the face. So that's what we're achieving with the automation.